Hello, welcome back to the platform. We are still moving on with our trigonometric proofs, and our proof question number 2. We are proving that if sine x plus alpha is equal to 2 cos x minus alpha, then we want to prove that tan x is equal to 2 minus tan alpha out of 1 minus 2 tan alpha. So now, to start with, remember what I told you, that you first check what you are looking for and where you are going to extract it from. So now we have, at first we have sine and cos, and we're extracting tan. That means that now the first procedure, the first and foremost procedure, is to first make the expansion, because you see what we are looking for. We have compound angles in the question, but we don't have them in what we are going to extract. So that means that we want to get individual x, individual alpha as the getting their tangents. That means that we have to expand and make the compound to simple or individual angle. So which means, to start with, we shall say that from what we have, that sine of x plus alpha is equal to 2 cos. Now, since they have given us this concept that it is a fact, it is already a fact, that means we are going to use the left hand side and right hand side at the same time. It is not at the other side where we are using the left hand side in the first case. So now, on expanding, we shall have sine of x cos of alpha plus cos x sine alpha, that is on the left, that is compound angle formula, then is equal to 2 cos of x cos of alpha plus 2 sine of x sine of alpha. Now, you see, we want to extract tan, and tan, remember that tan is always, remember that tan of any angle, tan theta, is equal to sine theta over cos theta. That means that for any angle, let's say x and alpha, if you want to get the tan, then the cos must be down, which means we have to convert this in tan, this in tan, and this in tan. Now, that would mean that we have to put the cosine down. So what we shall do, we shall divide through by cosine of x and cosine of alpha. Why? Because we want to extract, we want to make tan. Remember what we are looking for, we have tan, and tan we have cos as a denominator. So which means for tan alpha we have cos alpha as the denominator, for tan x we have cos x as the denominator. That's why I'm doing I'm dividing through by cos x cos alpha. That would mean that after doing that, we shall end up with sine x cos alpha out of cos x cos alpha, then plus cos x sine alpha out of cos x cos alpha, equaling to, also do it on the right hand side, because if you do it on one side, you will have changed the meaning of the question, and our interest is maintaining the meaning of the question, because if you change it, then we'll be answering your own question, not the question being asked by the examiner. Then plus 2 sine x sine alpha out of cos x cos alpha. So after doing that, after simplifying, you see this will cancel and remain with tan x here. Then the cos x will cancel and remain with tan alpha there. Then we shall end up with a 2, because all these ones will cancel out, so we shall have a 2. Then we shall have plus, this will become tan x, this will be tan alpha, so we shall have a 2 tan x tan alpha. Now you see what we have here, what we are looking for, we have tan x being the subject. That means that we have to make tan x the subject. So we have to extract this, bring it to this side, and then we factorize tan x out. So we shall have tan x, then minus 2 tan x tan alpha, equaling to, when you bring this side to be 2 minus tan alpha. So we shall have tan x into 1 minus 2 tan alpha, equaling to 2 minus tan alpha. Then when you want to make tan x the subject, we shall divide, of course you divide through by 1 minus 2 tan x, and out of 1 minus 2 tan x, and we shall end up with tan x equaling to 2 minus tan alpha out of, this is alpha, because we are dividing through by this, so this is alpha, out of 1 minus 2 tan alpha, as the question required it. So which means we have gotten it as we wanted it. Now what we are doing is just checking that we want tan. If we want tan, then we are, first of all, we want individual angle tans, so which means we have to break the compound here, then by expanding. Then after expanding, now we want to get tan x, we make it the subject, so we divide through by cos x cos alpha, then we make it the subject. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon if you want to receive the previous videos and the videos which will be uploaded after. Thank you.